Good morning, mermaids. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm doing another vlog. It's gonna be spend Saturday with me, so I thought I would just take you guys around what I have to do. So I have to run some errands and I have to return stuff. So I need to go to Target, TJ Maxx, and I need to go to some places in the mall to return some stuff. So I thought I would just bring you guys along with me. I don't really know how this is gonna go or what I'm gonna get in for today, because I don't know what I'm feeling to do today. So we will just definitely see. But it is so flippin' cold. It's not even funny. It's negative 15 degrees here in northern Minnesota. So great. Ugh. Smell like bacon. My dad was cooking nasty bacon. It's amazing. Remember Sierra? I mean, she's still popping, but touch me right there, rock your body. I can't keep my hands off you, 'cause your body is my party. Oh yeah. Nikki is my all-time favorite person, favorite artist. Pills and potions.
Ayo, they could never make me hate you. Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful. Even though you out here looking so ungrateful, I'ma keep it moving, be classy and graceful.
I don't care what anyone says. She is the queen of all queen, will forever be queen. Nicki Minaj. Period, point blank, exclamation point. I don't care what anyone says. She will forever be number one. I don't care.
People will love you and support you when it's beneficial.
Hey mermaids, I just got out of the shower. I worked out real quick and then I just got out of the shower. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just doing my skincare. And I broke out so bad. Probably because I'm getting my friend. He's struggling when you're a girl. There's always something, I swear. I swear. So I just went in with my hyaluronic acid serum from Glow Recipe. It's the plump one. Now I'm gonna go into my Ordinary. Actually, I'm gonna go into this other serum because I have a few breakouts and they are not looking good. So I'm gonna put this stuff on too. I like to pat it in instead of rub because I just feel like it gets more. Oh, see, it's hormonal breakouts I have right now. And I'm hungry, so we'll probably go make some breakfast. And then I actually need to do some stuff in my planner and on my computer. So we'll probably do that. And then I honestly, truly don't even know. So we're just winging it. And then I'm gonna go into my Honest Beauty. This is hyaluronic acid. Definitely not that mist. Hyaluronic mist by, gosh, I'm like eating it. Honest Beauty, that's Jessica Alba's company, if you guys don't know. And then I went in with the Ordinary moisturizer. That's it. So, and I'm also gonna put on my, where is it? Oh, my lip oil by Jouer, my favorite. I'm like out of it. I just ordered some new ones on Amazon just because like they're way cheaper.
Yeah, and you guys can dress up. Perfect. Okay. All right. You know what? Here's another one. Yeah, we're gonna have those.
Okay, mermaids, I have to make a confession because it is Monday. It is not Saturday right now. The only time I was filming on Saturday was when I was in the car. So the whole day, me doing my skincare the whole day today, it is Monday because I literally did nothing this weekend. So I just thought I would wait till today, be a little more productive. So after when was the last time I saw you? I think I made breakfast. So after that, my camera died. I had to charge it up, so it was charging for a little bit, and then I had to go to the bank because I had to do some things at the bank today. I just made a homemade Crunchwrap Supreme, but I am in here doing my planner and doing stuff that I need to do today to make my list and to make my stuff. So I thought, hey, we'll just still keep on doing that, you know? So, and I got my computer right here because there's some stuff I just had to do. So I thought, hey, let's just do it. And I'm sorry if you can hear the TV. My parents are watching a movie. They're so cute. They watch one like every night together. So random, but this is for my Galentine's. I don't know if any of them are watching this, but this is my little vision of it. Sorry, is it focusing? Whatever. So this is going to be my Galentine's. I'm bringing that alcoholic beverage drink, one of them, so it's going to look super cute. Essentially what I'm thinking is I have a lemonade stand, so I'm going to make or pour the alcohol in that with I have some edible cute sparkles, so it'll look super cute. And then I'm gonna have a few drinks around it of what they want to put in their drink, like pineapple juice or Sprite or something else. And then I'm also gonna have displays of food that they want to put in, so like oranges, lemon or lime, worms, just some fun decorative stuff. And then I'm gonna bring pink solo cups. I love this stuff. I love like planning and partying and events and stuff like that. I just come up with cute ideas in my head, I feel like, but I have to look online for a good recipe. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make a grocery list now. Grocery list. Anyways, sorry, I don't think it's focusing, but this is my grocery list. You can kind of tell. I think I'm forgetting some stuff, but I am just so pooped out. So I think I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna take a bath and do some skincare. I'm gonna do some face masks and then just chill in bed. But I don't know, we'll see, because it's late. It's 8:25, Monday, February 8th now. So yeah, really late. I'm tired. It's been, oh my god, they're moving. Frick, it's so loud. They're deaf. Okay, well, I will see you guys probably right when I'm done. Hey mermaids, I'm back. So I'm just gonna do a sheet mask. It's just this one. I don't know, I saw on TikTok these aren't good for you, but I've had this forever and I have a couple breakouts. So I think I'm just going to use this, which I feel like it's going to burn because I just exfoliated, which was probably dumb of me. I don't remember last time I used a sheet mask. I usually just use that ordinary chemical peel, like vampire one, you know? So I'm sure this will be I get like nervous to open my eyes. I don't even know what's going on right now. Oh my gosh. This looks messed up. Okay, Scream. Okay, Pennywise. Okay, Jason. Bitch, I look like freaking Jason. Do I not look like Jason? I look like Jason. And I'm talking about Friday the 13th, Jason. Oh my gosh. I just keep him on until he gets dry. So I think I'm just gonna throw on some YouTube and catch up on some people while this just sits. And I always bring the extra down my neck. On my hands too. Oh, I'm gonna put on some chapstick. My lips are really chapped. And I'm so chilled to the bone. It's flipping absolutely freezing where I'm from. So I am so chilled. I've just been looking so nasty in my vlogs, I feel like, but like that's literally the real me. And my most thing is I want to be relatable to people and have them like me for me, and you know, not portray that everything is perfect and good. Like I just want to relate to people, have them, you know, forget about their day if they're having a bad day. You just get lost in my fantasy world, no matter if that is looking like this. I swear to God, I look like Jason. I can't even explain. Okay, so I'm gonna chill for a little bit. You guys look at. I also like to do my roller. I'll catch you guys in a bit when this is done with. Hey mermaids, I'm back.
This is just so good.
Oh my gosh, that was completely dry. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my skincare. I am so tired. I'm gonna pass out after this. Like, I know for a fact. So I'm watching Kim Tai, you guys. I absolutely love her. Her and her best friend Michelle are doing a sushi mukbang. So I'm going in with this now, a serum by The Ordinary.
A few weeks ago, Michelle and I were so desperate. We got sushi from Stater Brothers. And it was so sad. Horrible mistake. They don't even know.
Just the same moisturizer. Okay, and I've been trying to grow my eyelashes out because I had eyelash extensions and
That's sushi rolls.
it did not go good for me. So I've been using castor oil for about like, I've had it for a month, but I haven't used it for a month because I forget and I get like tired. So I just dip this on there and then it helps grow and nourish your lashes and your eyebrows. I do them on my eyebrows too, so.
You tell them, Michelle. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to curl them. I usually curl them with my curling iron and then do these.
Salmon belly.
And I always push them up my eyebrows when I put the castor oil in. Yeah, this was just a random little vlog of me. So I hope you mermaids and sirens liked it. But I'm going to go to bed now because I'm so tired. Oh, I'm just breaking out so bad. I don't know if it's... I feel like it's the weather too because it's just been really cold and changing, and it's just too much for me, too much for my skin to handle right now. I hope you mermaids have a good night, a good day whenever you are watching this. And before you go, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the noti bell because you know I will be back with more videos. Thank you guys so much for your support, for watching me, of course, always. And I will catch you in my next one. Okay, bye mermaids.